If you think gadgets can't surprise you anymore, 2026 is about to prove you wrong. Kickstarter is overflowing with bold ideas that are turning into real, usable tech, and some of them are honestly hard to believe. From powerful pocket-sized gear and smart car upgrades to futuristic tools that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie, these inventions are redefining what everyday technology can do. In this video, we're diving into 17 insane new Kickstarter gadgets that are breaking the rules of design, innovation, and convenience. Some are incredibly practical, others are just mind-blowing, but every single one has that wow factor. Watch till the end. You might just discover your next must-have gadget. Shargeek 300. The Shargeek 300 is a seriously impressive portable power bank that blends raw power with futuristic design. It packs a 24,000 mAh battery and delivers up to 300 watts of combined output across two USB-C ports, each up to 140 watts, a USB-A port, and an adjustable DC port, letting you charge everything from phones to laptops and even some small electronics quickly and simultaneously. Its transparent body, with RGB lighting and built-in smart display, adds a premium, tech-savvy feel. Early bird backers can grab it on Kickstarter, starting around $149, with expected delivery around May 2026. Nano B10. The Nano B10 is a ridiculously compact but capable EDC flashlight that squeezes serious utility into just about 3 centimeters of titanium and around 20 grams of weight. Tiny enough to live on your keychain, yet versatile enough for real use. It offers 9 lighting modes, including low, high, red, UV, strobe/SOS, a 360-degree magnetic hands-free system, and USB-C fast charging, so it's always ready when you need it. Backers on Kickstarter have been snapping it up for roughly £54 to £66 in early tiers, with multiple finishes to choose from, and delivery expected around mid-2026. 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount. The 4-in-1 Smart Car Mount is a clever all-in-one solution for your car that combines a sturdy phone holder with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, plus 20-watt magnetic fast charging. So you aren't juggling cables or separate accessories while driving. It streamlines navigation, calls, and media without clutter, and the magnetic mount keeps your device secure on the dashboard. Early supporters on Kickstarter have been backing it at around 436 Hong Kong dollars per pledge, with delivery expected mid-2026, making it an intriguing upgrade for tech-savvy drivers. Mechanical Card Holder. The mechanical card holder from Slide Morph puts a fun twist on the everyday wallet by combining practicality with a satisfying mechanical action. It holds up to 5 cards and opens in a fan-style motion with a crisp metal click that feels great in the hand, while also integrating handy tools like a knife, screwdriver, and bottle opener for real-world use. Backers found early tiers on Kickstarter around about $62 plus, and it successfully funded far beyond its original goal, proving there's still appetite for clever EDC gear. The NITECORE EMR30SE is an unexpectedly useful portable gadget for anyone who loves the outdoors or hates bug bites. It's essentially a compact electronic mosquito repeller that hooks up to a USB-C power source and uses a heated plate to vaporize repellent mats, creating a protective zone up to about 16 feet outdoors or 11 feet indoors, ideal for camping, patios, or picnics. It's small, lightweight, and rated IPX5 for weather resistance, so you don't have to baby it while adventuring. On Kickstarter, it was pitched as a neat outdoor companion. Price varied by pledge tier, giving you practical pest protection without lugging bulky gear. Laser Flashlight. The laser flashlight is one of the most ambitious lighting gadgets to hit Kickstarter in 2025, and it lives up to the hype for outdoor adventurers and night explorers. It uses dual laser-excited phosphor modules to push a super-focused beam up to 2,000 meters, far exceeding typical LED throw distances, and making it great for search, rescue, or deep dark hikes. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum, IP68 water resistance, and a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging, it blends rugged durability with serious performance. Early bird backers grabbed units around $329 to $399 on Kickstarter, which feels steep but fitting for its class-leading range, and modular filters for red, green, and flood modes. Nova 4-in-1 laser level. The Nova 4-in-1 laser level from Magpie Tech is an impressively versatile tool for DIers and pros alike, combining a laser level, distance meter, digital angle finder, and bullseye level into one compact unit. It projects bright green laser lines, measures distances with around 2 mm accuracy, shows real-time tilt on its display, and helps ensure perfectly level surfaces without juggling multiple tools. Backers on Kickstarter were pledging around $100 plus, making it a smart pick for anyone who wants precision and convenience in one gadget. World's smallest projector. The world's smallest portable laser show projector from Laser ABC is a seriously wild gadget that turns any space into a laser spectacle without the usual bulky gear and complicated setup. It packs a 2-watt or optional 5-watt full-color RGB laser engine capable of casting vibrant patterns and visuals up to 200 meters away, and it's controlled via a companion app with one-click shows or custom designs. The compact unit weighs under 1 kilogram, offers ambient and laser show modes, and even integrates with professional protocols like ILDA and DMX, making it equally fun for backyard parties and creative performances. Early Kickstarter backers were pledging around 3,800 Hong Kong dollars, plus a unique price for such visual power in a small package. Next-gen night vision with tactical integration. The next-gen night vision with tactical integration is a surprisingly feature-rich night vision gadget that went way past its Kickstarter goal, showing there's real interest in affordable high-tech optics. It combines dual screens, day/night recording, and even a built-in laser visible up to approximately 850 meters, plus useful add-ons like compass and thermometer all in one wearable unit, making it more than just basic optics. On Kickstarter, average pledges were around 1,370 Hong Kong dollars, with backers funding the project at nearly double its target. It's ideal for nighttime hikes, tactical use, or outdoor exploration, offering a packable, smart night vision solution that's much more than an ordinary monocular. Drowse Buster E. The Drowse Buster E is a quirky, yet intriguing gadget aimed at helping drivers stay awake and alert during long drives, study sessions, or meetings. Designed to be worn with clips near the ears, it delivers periodic stimulation intended to prevent drowsiness, adjustable in intensity and timing to suit your needs. Early Kickstarter pledges started as low as around $31, and the campaign surpassed its goal by a wide margin, showing real backer interest. While it's not a high-tech AI monitoring system, its simple design makes it a fun and practical anti-sleep tool for road warriors and night workers alike. MK3 5-in-1 Smart Outdoor Gadget. The MK3 5-in-1 Smart Outdoor Gadget is a neat multi-tool for anyone who spends time outside, from hikers and campers to everyday adventurers. On Kickstarter, it combined 5 key functions into one unit: Bluetooth walkie-talkie pairing with your smartphone, emergency SOS button, Bluetooth speaker, bright LED light, and a stylus pen for touchscreen use when you've got gloves on or a rugged terrain. These features make it a practical companion to keep your phone tucked away, yet stay connected, prepared, and entertained on the trail. Early backer pricing varied by pledge tier, but bundles were offered, making it a flexible choice for individuals or groups planning outdoor trips. Sleep Eye Mask. The Sleep Eye Mask is a smart wearable sleep aiding gadget that first appeared on Kickstarter, aiming to help people fall asleep faster and improve rest using CES, cranial electrotherapy stimulation technology, which is designed to stimulate the brain to promote natural sleep hormones like serotonin and melatonin without drugs. It's compact and intended for daily use at bedtime or even during travel, offering a non-invasive way to potentially reduce stress and support deeper sleep cycles. On Kickstarter, backers pledged around $129 on average to support the project, with the campaign exceeding its funding goal by a wide margin. Module Sling System. The Module Sling System is a well-crafted modular sling bag designed for tech, tools, and everyday carry that's been trending on Kickstarter with strong backer support. It features a durable X-Pack shell, a wide 70-degree opening for easy access, and modular organization zones compatible with MOLLE and Velcro, so you can customize pockets and attachments to fit your gear perfectly. Early backers have been pledging roughly 663 Hong Kong dollars, approximately $85 plus per unit, far exceeding its original funding goal, showing real community interest. For people who want a rugged, adaptable carry solution that grows with their setup, this sling blends functionality and EDC flexibility in one compact package. Fongshwa. The Fongshwa Ultimate 480-watt digital display (GAN) charger is one of those desktop power hubs that backs up its bold claims with serious hardware and backer enthusiasm. It packs a total 480-watt output using GAN technology, including dual PD 140-watt ports, dual PD 100-watt ports, 4 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, plus a multicolor LED display to show real-time power delivery and status. Despite its hefty power numbers, early Kickstarter backers average pledges around $535 plus, significantly exceeding project goals and reflecting strong interest in powerful multi-device charging stations. While it's a premium tier gadget for tech enthusiasts or heavy device users, its combination of ports and display make it feel like a command center for charging laptops, phones, tablets, and more all at once. ZERA Max Divi. The ZERA Max 2 is a standout wearable climate gadget that almost instantly adjusts your body's comfort wherever you go. It packs AI-powered thermtech for rapid cooling or soothing warmth, plus a companion app to personalize temperature and therapy modes, acting as both a portable AC and a body comfort device for sore muscles. With its 8,000 mAh battery and up to approximately 17 hours runtime, you can use it throughout a hot summer day or chilly night with adjustable straps for waist, shoulder, or thigh wear. Backers on Kickstarter pledged around 945 Hong Kong dollars on average, approximately $120 plus, and the campaign far exceeded its goal, reflecting strong interest in personal comfort tech. Storovic. The Storovic Pure Care Brush is a surprisingly high-tech twist on a pet grooming tool that went 935% funded on Kickstarter, showing pet owners are really into smarter care. It uses cold plasma technology, no chemicals, to help reduce bacteria and odor at the source while brushing, making coats cleaner and skin healthier over time. The brush features retractable teeth for easy cleaning, USB-C rechargeable battery with long runtime, and ergonomic design for comfortable daily grooming. With backers pledging around $59 to $100 plus, it's an affordable upgrade for pet care that genuinely feels premium and purposeful. Atlas. The Atlas Smart 5-in-1 MagSafe wallet is a seriously clever, all-in-one everyday carry gadget that blew past its Kickstarter goal by over 3,000%, showing tons of backer enthusiasm. It combines a slim magnetic wallet that holds up to 6 cards, wireless MagSafe charging, up to 15 watts, for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, and a built-in Apple Find My tracker so you never misplace it. You can even flip it into a phone stand for hands-free use. Early Kickstarter pledges averaged around 150 Australian dollars, approximately 99 US dollars, which feels like solid value for a sleek device that replaces multiple accessories while staying pocket-friendly.